Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot 14 in Shore Acres. Shore Acres is a land lease community based in Manasquan, New Jersey. So Shore Acres is not one of our regular developments that we do. From time to time, we will bring in these houses and facilitate the development of it. So this is one of those cases. We put this on the park in Shore Acres in Manasquan, and here we can take a look at it. So you can see this house has a lot of windows and it brings in a lot of light. I really like this kitchen here. The white cabinets with the sort of robin's egg backsplash along with the stainless steel appliances looks really great. These are all brand new Whirlpool appliances. Here we can take a look at the fridge. I like this one a lot because it has the sliding freezer that's right underneath. All of the appliances also come with warranties through the manufacturer. You can see the sink. It comes with a rack in there and another drying rack. It also has an extendable nozzle. There's a microwave, stove, and oven combination. This is a little heating tray underneath. We've also got these slow closing cabinet doors. So as you see here, they won't slam closed. They've got a mechanism there that makes it a little bit quieter. Here you can see the second door. Or I guess the first door. This is the first one that you come up to from the driveway. We went into the back one. Now this is just like a regular house. It's 100 amps. We've got everything in the electrical panel labeled for you. Right next to it is where you could put your washer and dryer side by side. Here is the bathroom. There's a window there that has a shade, double bypass doors, 2 seats in the shower. Now we'll go take a look at the bedroom. Here you can see the view. Here is the closet. Comes with a wire rack in there. And we also give you 2 extra screens. Here is the water heater. These are new doors that we have for the water heaters. It has that little top part there, sort of separate from the other doors. Now we'll take a look at the other bedroom. Now it's worth noting that this house has already been sold. We built this house directly for the customer and then put it here, and then they moved in just a few days later. This is one of the brand new furnaces that is responsible for the forced hot air and central air conditioning. Here you can see the view outside. You've got this whole open area. And here is the closet. Now, this house is also Energy Star certified, as the appliances are energy efficient, and you've got the windows that are thermal pane, so they keep the hot air in during the winter, like it is, and cool air in during the summer. So if you're interested in finding out more about one of these homes or buying one of these homes, please go to www.myhomeinedison.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to receiving updates about all of our homes and potentially owning one yourself. Thank you. Have a good day.
Edison Mobile Estates is a manufactured home community. We are located in a fabulous location right on Highway 1, just a mile away from Metuchen, New Jersey, close to the train stations, great school systems, close to the Parkway, close to Route 9, very close to 287. It's a really convenient location. It's one way in and one way out, so it's pretty secluded. It's private property, so we don't have any soliciting, and people really enjoy the privacy, even though we're in a great hub close to the airport, the Newark airport. Our office is in the front of the community as you drive in. We meet everybody by appointment only, so if you want to meet us, fill out the 15 questions or email us if you're interested. This is US Highway 1 or Route 1 in Edison. Our family is the Dolan family. We are Dolan Homes. We've been building manufactured homes in our 3 communities for over 40 years. On our website, dolanhomes.com, you'll see Edison, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. Those are the 3 parks that we manage. Robert Dolan is the managing member. This community has been in the Dolan family since 1974. Here's Robert Dolan. He holds all the licenses to build and manufacture and install the manufactured homes. As our nephew and our son, we are a small family business, husband, wife, nephew, son, and their little kids. We really pride ourselves on being 4 generations, and it's a joy when the little ones join us in the summertime. We have a fabulous crew with lots of experience, and it's all hands on deck when we're building one home at a time, from our family to yours. We do all the utility connections, water, sewer, and electric, and the concrete foundation of all the houses. We have a lot of advantages to joining us. We are a land lease community, so the cost is very little because the actual homeowners do not pay the real estate. Edison Mobile Estates pays the taxes, and thereby makes it much easier for homeowners to purchase homes. The median income price of a home in Edison is over $400,000, and our homes are from $148,000 and a little bit lower and a little bit higher. We're just so pleased to be part of the American dream of home ownership. Come join us, check out our website, and email us or fill out the 15 questions, and we'll get right back to you.